In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create read-only text channels on Discord. Whether you're managing a busy community server or just want to set up a channel for announcements, setting a read-only channel can really streamline communication by ensuring that important messages aren't lost in a flood of other chats. So, let's dive in and learn how to set this up quickly and efficiently. First off, you'll need to open Discord and navigate to your server. Make sure you're logged in and have the necessary permissions to modify channels. Once you're on your server, look over to the left side of the screen where your channel list resides. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see a small plus symbol next to the text channels category. Go ahead and click that plus to create a new channel. This is where you'll configure the channel to be read only. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to give your new channel a name. You can name it anything relevant to your needs. For instance, if you're creating a channel for announcements, you might simply name it Announcements. After you've named your channel, be sure to click Create Channel. Now that your channel is created, you need to set the appropriate permissions. Head over to your new channel on the server list, right-click it, and then select Edit Channel from the drop-down menu. Upon opening, you'll see several options. Select Permissions. This section is crucial as it's here where you'll determine who can and cannot send messages in your channel. In the Permissions screen, find the role labeled @Everyone. By default, Discord allows everyone to send messages. What you'll want to do is turn off this ability to make the channel read-only. You'll see a column for Send Messages. Simply click the X mark to disallow everyone from sending messages. This changes the permission to read only for general users, effectively restricting the channel as you intended. In some situations, you might need to allow specific roles to send messages while keeping it read only for others. To do this, select the specific role you want to modify and enable the Send Messages option by ticking the checkbox. This flexibility is particularly useful in cases where certain users may need to post updates, such as moderators or team leads. Remember, after making these changes, it's important to save them. Look for the Save Changes button. This is usually at the bottom of your screen or in a pop-up prompt. Hit Save and your channel is good to go. And there you have it. Your newly created read-only channel is ready to keep important messages clear and concise, ensuring that everyone on your server has easy access to essential information without the distractions of ongoing conversations. I hope you found this guide helpful. Have fun organizing your server, and see you in the next video.